Welcome, friends, or welcome back. Let's begin today. We're just going to take a deep breath and breathe and draw. We're stepping right into the flow today, where energy moves and something new is about to take shape. And of course, be sure to stay until the end. I've got a special free gift for you that will help you to expand and deepen your own vibrational art practice. At the center of this drawing, we begin with the seed of life, 7 interwoven circles that mirror the geometry of creation itself. It's also symbolic of a new beginning for me and for this space. If you've been with me since NeuroArt Soul, you may notice a new name here, Luminous Soul Art. This rebrand is more than a new title. It's an expanded container, one that honors both art and soul alignment, creativity and consciousness as a unified field. Everything you've loved about Neurographica remains at the heart of what I share, but now we're illuminating it through a wider lens of energy, vibration, and frequency. Now let your lines spiral outward, counterclockwise. This is the direction of release and renewal. Each curve softens what's been held too tightly. This is how transformation begins, quietly, rhythmically, one breath and one line at a time. And here at the edge, I draw a butterfly, resting between worlds, wings poised. This is the moment before the leap. It's the sacred pause, the liminal space between the old and the new. Now, let's connect everything with neurolines, those flowing pathways that link the inner world to the outer field. We want them to cross and curve and let them harmonize. Each line becomes a bridge between what you're imagining and what's waiting to unfold. This is the essence of luminous soul art, where creativity and energy meet to form new reality. Now we round, softening the edges, transforming conflict, and allowing energy to flow freely again. This is where coherence begins, where resistance melts into grace and you start to embody flow. Now, before we bring color to the page, I want to share a bit about what inspires this approach. Rudolf Steiner, a philosopher, artist, and visionary, believed that color itself is alive. He taught that color is not just seen, it's felt. It's the soul of the cosmos made visible. Steiner said that true art mirrors the patterns of the cosmos, that through form and hue, we can realign with the divine blueprint inside of ourselves. When you choose yellow, you're choosing illumination and joy. If you choose red, you're calling in courage. Blue, the calm and stillness of trust. Violet, the transmutation of old patterns. So as you color, don't rush. Let each hue breathe through you. You're not just filling shapes, you're composing frequency. You're attuning to the luminous field that lives within and around you. Colors settle into the page, I want you to take a moment to simply feel their vibration. You may notice a quiet hum within you, a resonance that mirrors what's now flowing through your drawing. You may have thoughts, you may have impressions, you may have feelings and sensations. Pay attention to them. They're important. Rudolf Steiner taught that color is a living bridge between spirit and matter, that when we experience color, we experience the soul of the cosmos itself. So through each color, each hue, we've been reorganizing our energy and aligning our inner frequency with our outer expression. inside the spiral, I'm adding small symbols, sparks of potential. These are frequencies of what's emerging in you, emerging in me, and emerging in all of us. Now let that awareness soften into your body, your breath, your fingertips, and your heart. This is what coherence is. This is what happens when art and consciousness move as one. You've just entered the luminous field, that space where creativity becomes clarity and color becomes communication. It is the essence of luminous soul art. The space where art and awareness merge, creating not only beauty on the page, but harmony within the self. Every line you've drawn, every curve you've softened, every color you've chosen is all frequency, and together we've tuned it into coherence. I hope you have enjoyed this creative journey today. If you'd like to keep exploring this field of art, energy, and soul alignment, I'd love to invite you into the Luminous Soul Art Circle, my live community for creators and seekers. I've set aside a free gift pass for you that will let you experience a session, draw with us in real time, and feel the coherence that happens when we create together. You can find the link to claim your pass in the description or on my website. And if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It goes a long way in sharing the channel with others. Thank you for being here today. I will see you again soon, because becoming isn't something we do alone. It's something we inspire in each other.